Hey guys, today we're going to be learning about the area of a triangle, and basically the area of a triangle is base times height, and then you have to take half of it, or in other words you divide it by 2. Okay, so when you get a triangle there's always going to be two numbers, and the one at the bottom is going to be the base right here. And then the one that's going straight up and down, okay, is going to be your height. Now, here there's two examples that were already done for you. So if you notice here, again, the base is at the bottom, and then the height is going up and down. Okay, so if you count, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the base is equal to 5. And then the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the height is 8. So if you use the formula, which is right here, okay, area is equal to base times height divided by 2. So you multiply 5 times 8, okay, which is 40. And then you divide it by 2. So 40 divided by 2 is going to be 20. So the area of this triangle would be 20 units squared. Okay. Now for number 2, again, this time they give you the base. This is the base. And they give you the area, and you have to find the height. So in this case, okay, we have to work backwards. Okay, so you're going to find the you're going to take the area, which is right here, and you're going to multiply it by 2 because you're doing the opposite of dividing by 2. So the opposite of dividing by 2 is multiplying by 2. So 42 times 2 is going to be 84. Okay, and then after that you're going to take the base, which is 14, and divide. 84 divided by 14 is going to give me 6. So the height would be 6. Okay. Now we're going to do some examples together. Okay. And for number 1, the base, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5. Okay. And then the height, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the height is going to be 4. Alright, so remember, area is equal to base times height divided by 2. So we're going to do 5 times 4, okay, which is 20. And then 20 divided by 2 is going to give me 10 units squared. Okay, so remember, this is area, so we want to do units squared. Okay, for number 2, again, area is equal to base times height divided by 2. So area is equal to 5 times 2, which is 10. So area is equal to 10 divided by 2 is going to give me 5 feet squared. Okay. Now for this one, guys, whenever you have fractions, the easiest way to do it is to change it to decimals. So here, instead of 14.5, we're going to do 14.5. Okay. And here, instead of 12 3/4, we're going to do 12.75. Okay. So I have to multiply. Area is equal to 14.5 times 12.75, and then I have to divide everything by 2. Okay. So 14.5 times 12.75 is going to give me 184.875, and then I have to divide the whole thing by 2. Okay, so if I divide everything by 2, then the area is going to be 92.4375, and then we put inches squared. Okay. All right, let's do number 4. So this time, they give you the height and they give you the area and you have to find the base. So remember, first we have to take the area, 24, and we're going to multiply it by 2, so we're going to get 48, okay? Then we're going to do 48 divided by 12, okay? So that's going to give me 4 inches, and the base is equal to 4 inches. And we're not going to put the squared here because this is the base, it's not the area, okay? Now over here, same thing. We're going to start with 37.5 and we're going to multiply it by 2. Okay, so 37.5 times 2 is going to give me 75. Then we have to divide 75 divided by 15. Okay, and that's going to give me 5 meters, okay? So the base is going to equal to 5 meters. And again, this one is not going to have the 2 because this is the base, not the area. The area is the only one that has the 2 on there, okay? All right, turn the page over. Now, you're going to go ahead and do problems 1 through 12 on this page, okay? And then you're going to do problems 1 through 10 on the extra practice. And you're going to do problems 1 through 15 on the skill practice, okay? So remember, every single time, okay, you need to follow the formula, which is base times height divided by 2. Okay, you need to make sure you follow that. Base times height divided by 2 every single time. Okay, and remember, if you have fractions, turn them into decimals. And I'll be back tomorrow and talk more about this. Thanks.